Hello, welcome my friend. We are together again with one perfect Olympic question. Now when we look here, x times x, he said minus x times x is equal to 100. What do we do at first glance? We start by sending this number 100 to the other side. If I fix these, x cubed minus x squared minus 100 is equal to 0. Now look here, my full square, and I need to turn it into a cube. I'm doing this right now. Cube minus x squared minus 100 an. Minus 25 plus 25 is 0. That's what I just wrote. Look what our result will be when you add these two. 0 will come, it didn't change any one thing. If I take a little more process here. X cubed minus x squared minus 125 plus 25 equals sign 0 is. If you pay attention, what is the friend given here? The cube of 5 is the friend given here, and the square of 5, then immediately. I tried to simulate the initial algebraic expressions, and I continue from here. X cubed minus 125 minus x squared plus 25 is equal to 0. Now what can I do next? X cubed minus cube of 5. X square in minus bracket. Minus 25, which equals to be in the bracket. We got 0. Let's make this expansion right here. Minus 5 times the cube expansion. X squared plus 5x plus 25. What can I write minus in brackets here? X minus 5 times x plus 5 is equal to 0. Yes, we got it. What can I think about now? Look, that friend here is the same here too. So these two expressions are common. So x minus 5 parentheses, we can easily get it. What will happen when we buy x minus 5? This expression will come as x squared plus 5x. Plus 25, if you pay attention, there is a minus here. What should we do with this? We need to multiply by this expression minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now let's arrange a little more. X minus 5 times x squared. A plus, look, when we process this with 4x. Plus 20 is equal to 0. Now this expression is equal to 0. Means that your friend is 0. And that means your friend is 0. Let's go over it right now. If x minus 5 is equal to 0, what will x come from here? 5 will come. If we examine the second situation, x squared plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. What can I do here now? Look, he gave one equation from the second degree. Then I can look at delta or discriminant. What did we call delta? Let's remember it immediately. B squared minus 4 times ac. Delta equals, I apply this immediately. 16 4 times 1x 20. Delta equals 1680. From here, minus 64 is smaller than 0. So what will our roots come? Complex number will come. Then I said x 1.2 minus b plus minus root. What were we doing from delta divided by 2a? We could find it with the formula. Then I say x is equal to 1.2. What is the expression we call b here? It's 4 minus 4 because of the formula. Plus minus 64 in root. Like this 2 times 1, this will come 2 from here. Now that we continue, x 1.2 is minus 4 plus minus. Complex comes out when the inside of the root is negative. What happened? 8 divided by 2 has arrived. From here, then the root. What will happen if I simplify it a little? X 1.2 when I divide them all by minus 2 plus minus. I got 4. Now then, what are my answers in this situation? See the number we call x1. The number we call x1 has come to 5. The number we call x2. Minus 2 minus 4i has arrived. The number we call x3 is minus 2 plus 4i. It came, so these are my answers, guys. Like the video, so please don't forget to subscribe. We are together with one perfect Olympic question. What was my purpose if it confused you here? Guys, let's say this again here. I tried to bring your square and cube here. I added 25 for him and subtracted 25. What will the sum of these two do anyway? Won't change anything. Channel to learn such practical solutions. You can subscribe again. See you, bye-bye.